Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock Chrome with password in a very simple way. So if you want to lock it, just simply come over this three dot icon and here you will find the option called extension, and then here you will get an option called visit Chrome Web Store. So click on that, and after that you just need to search over here called Chrome lock and then click enter. After that you will get the first Chrome lock over here, so click on that and then click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and after that here you just need to put your password, click OK, and then click OK, and your Chrome will be turned off. And now if you want to open it, you can see you just need to give the password, and after that you can open it. So I will giving my password and then click OK, and you can see our Chrome is unlocked. So this is how we can lock Chrome with password. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.